Hey, Minnow. Guess what we're going to do today? We're going to make some sunflower jelly. I got some little sunflowers here. Now these are my mammoth sunflowers. This garden, for some reason, they did not grow very tall. But that one over there is where my huge mammoth sunflowers are. So anyway, we are going to pick, instead of cutting the heads off, because I leave the seeds for the birds, I am just going to pick the petals and throw those in my bowl. Getting there. Look at all those. They're so cute, but they're starting to, they're getting sad. So, pull off those. There we go. The recipe that I'm going to use calls for 1.5 cups of sunflower petals, but I actually do quite a bit more. And I did pick a few little heads here because I'm going to make some sunflower sun tea, and the whole sunflower is edible. And if you take these heads, and now this one's a little odd, I like the little odd though. Take 4 or 5 of these little sunflower heads and put them in a sun tea jar and fill it up with your green tea or water and then green tea bags, and then I like to add some herbs, but let it sit in the sun and it just makes an awesome sun tea. It's just a lovely flavor. So I'm going to keep on picking. There. I got quite a bit of sunflower petals in here. That's going to be awesome jelly. Awesome jelly. What you doing, Jag? Kitty, kitty? Kitty? Ah, you don't want to say hi? Well, see, it's just too hot, Mom. Too hot. Okay, so I'm going to make sunflower green tea. So I have my green tea bags. Stick those in the pot. Oops, don't go all the way in. Actually, you know what? Yes, that's fine. And then here are my sunflower heads. These are the small ones. And I rinsed them off real good. The whole plant is edible and wonderful. So I'm going to put each flower in there. Look at that one. Ooh, yeah, this is going to be awesome. The tea is just a wonderful, light, sunny, flavor. It's just a wonderful sun tea. And then I have a sprig of lemon verbena. I love the smell of this, and I love the flavor, and it'll just give it a little bit more of a flavor in here. So I'm going to push that in like that. And there we go. Got my tea bags in there. I have 3 green tea bags. Put my lid on. Wait several hours. Let it brew a little bit out here in the wonderful sunshine, and it'll be ready. looks so yummy and beautiful.